Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to use the HLOOKUP formula in Excel. Like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP is also used to look up data. So instead of looking vertically, it looks horizontally. So in HLOOKUP, we would be looking for the name of students in these relevant months. All right. So we can take that this was the number of days that Mike was absent from college and these months. We need to find out now with HLOOKUP that in January, how many days was Jeff absent? Alright, so to do that, we will use HLOOKUP. Lookup value is January, which I mentioned over here. You can even hard code it, type it in. Comma, it's asking for a table array. Table array would be your data set from where you need to search the data. Alright, just a comma. It's asking for a row index number. Row index number would be, for Jeff, would be 5. Why? There are only 4 students, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then why should the row index number be 5? Because the row index number would start from the header table itself, which is row number 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Comma 0, which is for exact match, and 1 would be for appropriate match. For approximate match. So Jeff was present for 4 days. All right. Now I had selected in this formula C11, which is January. All right. Now if I want to find it for the remaining of the month, say for February, how do I do that? Again, is equal to HLOOKUP. There is another way of actually applying this formula. We go to formulas, insert function, and we type in the name of the formula, and it will come up over here, HLOOKUP. Click on go. Here it comes, HLOOKUP. You click. Lookup value is February. Table array, let's select the table array. Row index number is for Jeff, again it is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 0. Press OK. And the answer is again 4. Had it been 6, it would change to 6 now. So this is how the HLOOKUP formula works. You can use it for data in the same sheet, in different sheets, or from different workbook. It's the same technique. All right. So this is how we use HLOOKUP in Excel. See you in the next video.